LaCantina Doors is dedicated to creating products that open spaces. We offer folding, sliding, swing door, and window products to blur the boundaries from indoors and out, room to room, for a healthier, more comfortable lifestyle. In this video, we'll explore the different material options for your personal style and performance needs for your region. Aluminum is an excellent choice for coastal areas with more temperate weather, or tropical environments where heat and cold transfer is not of concern. Offering a clean contemporary design aesthetic with narrow profiles for maximum glass and natural light, aluminum is very low maintenance and an ideal material for open space products. We value flexibility in design whether you have a large opening for entertaining or a smaller opening to maximize space. LaCantina offers in-stock clear, bronze, and white finishes, and optional or custom color match in all system types to suit any style. As mentioned, aluminum is ideal for exterior primary openings for more temperate areas. However, for coastal areas with more extreme weather conditions, the aluminum system is ideal for secondary openings like patio enclosures and interior applications such as room dividers. For a similar aesthetic but added energy performance, check out our aluminum thermally controlled system or our impact rated system, which is equipped to handle the high velocity hurricane zone areas. Our aluminum thermally controlled system offers a contemporary design aesthetic with narrow profiles for maximum glass and natural light without compromising thermal performance. Featuring a non-conductive thermal strut to minimize the transfer of heat and cold to the interior of the home, the aluminum thermally controlled system is an excellent solution for more extreme coastal climates. This system can be engineered to meet even the strictest building codes for the high-velocity hurricane zones and even Miami-Dade County. In addition to advanced performance, our proprietary design allows you to choose different interior and exterior colors for ultimate design flexibility. Pretty cool, huh? With our wide range of in-stock and optional colors, you'll be sure to find the right fit for you. Available across all system types, aluminum thermally controlled is naturally one of our most popular material options due to its high thermal performance. Aluminum wood offers the perfect balance of enhanced thermal performance, featuring a natural wood interior with an aluminum exterior. This mix is great because you receive the benefits of a low-maintenance aluminum exterior to confront the outside elements, but also get the benefits of the warmth of wood on the inside of your home. Aluminum wood is a very popular solution for most marine and tropical coastal areas. Blending both contemporary and traditional architectural styles, this material option is engineered for oversized door panels, for extra-large openings, to truly maximize glass and natural light. Standard wood options include vertical grain Douglas fir and mahogany. However, a multitude of custom wood species are available to meet your project demands. As with all of our material options, there are several in-stock color and optional colors to select from, or add a pop of color by choosing a custom color of your choice. Contemporary Clad delivers style without compromising performance. Due to its outstanding thermal efficiency and energy building codes becoming more stringent year after year, you can be confident Contemporary Clad is a clear winning option for any coastal region. Designed with a low-maintenance aluminum exterior to combat the daily coastal spray, coupled with the natural warmth of a wood interior, the Contemporary Clad provides a clean aesthetic, increased thermal performance, and is our most energy-efficient system. We offer the choice between square and sculpted panel profile options and a variety of wood species and color options to meet the needs of all architectural styles. Did you know LaCantina offers a custom color option? We'll match any color you want. Whether your area experiences cooler marine coastal temperatures or warmer tropical coastal temperatures, rest assured, Contemporary Clad is designed to keep you comfortable year-round wherever you are. LaCantina's original all-wood system is a timeless classic and serves as a natural thermal barrier for optimal energy efficiency. Wood can be a great option for any coastal region. However, keep in mind, wood is an organic product that requires additional maintenance in harsher coastal environments. Just something to consider when exploring this material option. Available on our folding and swing systems, standard wood options include a vertical grain Douglas fir and mahogany. However, we do offer a range of custom wood species to suit any architectural design. Our all-wood system gets the most out of a contemporary system with traditional flair.